Hello guys, good evening once again. This is Mike Padua and we are back to our latest analysis. This is the weekend edition of our update for today, Saturday through Monday, August 3 to 5, English version. Brought to you by Typhoon2000 and Naga College Foundation, one of the best institutions here in the Bicol region and Naga City. But before we begin, we'd like to thank our partners, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Sustainable with You. If you're interested, just click on the link up here. Or if you're watching via Facebook, visit the description page for more details regarding BPI Sustainable with You. And also one of the best hotels in the Bicol region and Naga City, Avenue Plaza Hotel. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. And now let's proceed with our update. Here's the latest GovSat, which we issued a while ago. This is valid until tomorrow, Sunday. We are clear of any tropical cyclone within the Philippine area of responsibility, except for this southwesterly to westerly wind flow. This is due to a Monsoon Gyre. Okay, when we say Monsoon Gyre, this is a common system during the monsoon season, wherein there's a broad area of low pressure which expand up to more than 1,000 kilometers across the 1006 millibar isobar, which is this blue, is so large. So because of this monsoon gyre, there exists a cluster of cloudiness along the edge across the southern part and the eastern portion, and this cloudiness may become a group of or a couple of circulation that may develop into tropical cyclones. That's why we are observing this, and we already have one, which is the anchor of this monsoon gyre. This is LPA 91W moving southwest, which was once a mid-latitude low, and it became a tropical low pressure as it moves towards the west, southwest to west. But it has a lower chances of becoming a tropical cyclone, and is likely to enter PAR. But so far, it may not develop, but we are not sure for the future progress of this 91W. For the next couple of days, there's another cloudiness here that may develop. That's why we are observing this large monsoon gyre, which is enhancing the southwest monsoon across Guam, Saipan, Marianas, including Palau and Yap. Okay, winds here is picking up to 50 or 60 kph, while here over the Philippine Islands, along the central and southern portions of our country, just light winds from the west and southwest. But during the afternoon or evening, we expect this localized isolated rain showers and thunderstorms occurring over these areas from Calabarzon, Bicol, MiMaRoPa, Visayas, and Mindanao, particularly becoming more frequent along the western sections. Okay, so that's the latest. Don't worry guys, because this system is not a threat to our country. Just some light southwesterly wind flow, westerly winds, or the weak Habagat, if you say it in Tagalog. So that's the latest. Just don't forget to bring always your umbrella during the day, but since in the afternoon or evening, we expect these rain showers and thunderstorms. So here's the fast animation. So you can clearly see here the large gyre. I'm going to draw a circle here. So it's like this. And here's the LPA. And somewhere here, there are a possibility of more circulation that could form. But some will dissipate, some will survive, and could become a tropical cyclone within the next few days. There are models that shows a cyclone forming here within the next 5 days, moving towards east of Japan, so nothing to worry about. So these are the westerly to southwesterly winds affecting Marianas and the Caroline Islands, or the Micronesian Islands. And so far, these are only localized thunderstorms. In the morning, we expect some sunshine once again. Here's the zoom-in satellite animation, beginning around 4:30 p.m. This is valid until 10 o'clock this evening. So there are still thunderstorms occurring in various sections of the Visayas and Mindanao. But these are just passing thunderstorms. Here's the wind forecast from the European model. This is the large Monsoon Gyre. Okay. And here's the LPA that we are observing. Tomorrow Sunday, August 4, it will continue to dive down towards the southwest because of a high pressure here. And it's likely to move towards this direction. Okay. Westerly, southwesterly winds across the Philippine Islands. Nothing to worry about. Monday, it will be southeast of Okinawa. Still a low pressure system, but we are observing this if it could become a tropical depression. And on Tuesday, it will start to move towards the west-northwest, exiting the Philippine area of responsibility and dissipating on Wednesday. And here's another one on the northeast edge of this gyre. So the gyre is somewhere here. Okay, something like that. And the southwest flow, or the light southwesterly winds here across our country. And on Thursday, southwesterly flow will continue. Okay, so that's the European model. We're not going to show to you the American model since it's very tricky. It changes a lot. We are focusing on the European model. Now for the rain forecast, tomorrow morning, Sunday, good. In the afternoon, we expect another round of thunderstorms. Monday morning, good weather again. In the afternoon, same situation, isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms in various sections of the country. Tuesday morning, nice weather, but in the afternoon, there goes again another round of thunderstorms passing across the western sections of our country because of the southwesterly wind flow. And for the rainfall accumulation, so most of this rainfall, moderate to heavy, for the next 3 days until Monday or Tuesday. We expect the western sections of southern Luzon, including Mindoro, Palawan, area of Busuanga and Coron of the Calamian group, western sections of western Visayas and the Negros Island region as well, Masbate, western Leyte, western portions of the Bicol region. So we expect these thunderstorms to occur for the next 3 to 5 days because of the large Monsoon Gyre. The Monsoon Gyre is enhancing the southwest monsoon here to the south of Guam, or southwest of Guam, or north of Palau and Yap. But it's far away from country. And before we leave you, here's the wave forecast. When it comes to the waves, it's very normal, okay? Except for those thunderstorms, so still watch out for some rogue waves. But overall, the wave heights is very light across the country until Tuesday. Here over the East Philippine Sea, light waves up to a meter. Calm to about a meter here, still over the Central Philippine Sea. Over the West Philippine Sea, also 1 meter and below. Okay, so suitable for fishing and sea travel. And for the global tropics hazards outlook issued last Wednesday, and valid for the next 2 to 3 weeks. So we have a dry phase of the Madden Julian oscillation. That's why we are having a below average rainfall across our country, except for these thunderstorms. And the southwest monsoon is weak. Here's now the area of the Monsoon Gyre, which shows a 20% probability of a tropical cyclone formation between August 7 to August 13. By week 3, which is highly uncertain, weekly August 14 to August 20. Continued below average rainfall across much of India, the area of South Asia, as well Indochina, okay, Thailand, Myanmar, Vietnam. So it looks like the wake of the monsoon is all the way across India, from the Philippine Islands, and here of our country, that's more than 40%. No, more than 65% of below average rainfall. And the gyre is still here. Another week of 20% potential of a tropical cyclone formation. Between August 14 to August 20, it looks like it's very quiet across our country until August 20. So during the last weeks of August, we expect another increasing rainfall activity over our country, but let's hope it won't be worse than normal. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this weekend. I hope you'll have a great weekend. Okay, and we'll see you again next week for another update of our tropical weather analysis. Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua saying good night to all. Have a great weekend. Okay, stay safe always. Don't forget to bring your rain gear, umbrellas, because we have afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms for the next 5 days. Thank you so much for watching. God bless to all.